Okay, the next thing we're moving on to is solving equations involving fractions. Okay, so new chapter in your notes copy, put into the index as well inside the front page. Okay, so I've got 3 examples that I wanted to put into the notes copy. Okay, so number 1, 2x over 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so we're still solving the equation, so our final answer will be x equals. Okay, so we know that that's 2x divided by 4 equals 8. Okay, so if I want to bring that divide by 4 over to the other side, it becomes multiply. Okay, so to bring the divide by 4 over the equal sign, we change the opposite operation, so divide by 4 becomes multiply by 4. Okay, so we'll be left on the left, then we'll be left with 2x is equal to, and then 8 times 4, 32. And that gets rid of the fraction. Okay, so we came across this as well when we were doing the equation of a line when the slope was a fraction. Okay, so to bring the divide by across the equal sign, it becomes multiply by. Okay, then we can solve that equation. So to get x on its own, to get rid of that 2, we divide both sides by 2, and x is equal to 16. Okay, that's the first one done. Number 2, so 5x over 6 is equal to 10. So the same thing again, I want to get rid of this fraction, so to bring the divide by 6 over the equal sign, the divide by becomes multiply by on the other side. Okay, so the 6 is gone from here, it's now over here, so on the left now I'm just left with 5x. Okay, the divide by 6 has been moved over across the equal sign. And then 10 times 6 will be 60. Then to solve that equation, we want to get rid of 5, so divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 12. Okay. Number 3. Okay, so this one's a bit more tricky now because both sides are fractions. Okay, so we want to get rid of the divide by 3 and we want to get rid of the divide by 2. Okay, so what I want you to do with this one is I want you to draw in the following lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to multiply this 3 by x minus 2 with 2x minus 5 by 2. Okay, so we call it cross multiply. Okay, so we're going to have 2 times 2x minus 5. Okay, because we're multiplying the 2x minus 5 by 2, put the smaller one in the front, is equal to 3 times x minus 2. Okay, and then our fractions are gone and we have an equation that we're able to solve. Okay, so we did 2 by 2x minus 5 equals 3 by x minus 2. So to solve that equation then, we need to get rid of the brackets. So we multiply in. So 2 by 2x will be 4x, 2 by minus 5, minus 10. 3 by x is 3x, 3 by minus 2, minus 6. Okay, bring the 3x to the left. So 4x minus 3x is x. Bring the minus 10 over, it becomes plus 10. So 10 minus 6 would be 4. Okay, that's our answer there then to that one, x equals 4. Okay, so actually they're not bad at all. We can get rid of the fractions very easily by cross multiplying, and then it's just like any other equation that we've solved. Okay, I might do one more of that type. So if we do number 4, fourth example. Okay, so x plus 2 over 6 is equal to 2x minus 5 over 3. Okay, so our first step is to cross multiply. So join the x plus 2 to the 3. Join 6 to 2x minus 5. Okay, so we're crossing them the top with the bottom here with the top here. Okay, so then that would be 3 times x plus 2. Okay, the smaller one goes first, the one with one term. 3 times x plus 2 is equal to 6 times 2x minus 5. Okay, so then we multiply it out, so 3x plus 6 equals 12x minus 30. Okay, now I have a 3x and a 12x, so it'll make more sense to bring the 3x over here so that I keep my x term positive. So I have 6 equals 9x minus 30, then plus 30 plus 30. So 36 equals 9x. Divide by 9, x equals 4. So actually it's just to get from here to here is the new part, the rest of it is straightforward. Okay.